Okay, how to find an outlier. Here, let me get that up. So the easiest way is just to go look at the graph of the box plot, and let me show you what that is real quick. So if we click graph and we tell it to do a box plot, a simple box plot, most everything we do in here will be simple because it's beginning statistics. Make sure you put your variable column in there. Remember, it's the height of our trees in feet, and watch what it does for us. It does what's called a box plot, and a box plot's pretty cool because if you hover over it, just those other descriptive statistics we found, such as quartile 1 median, quartile 3 the interquartile range, and the number of items is listed there if you hover over it. And then these are called the whiskers. So the box contains all that, with this line being called the median, and you can see as it is at 38. So if we come over here, it's falling at the 38. But what I want to show you is on a box plot, if there are any data points outside of this range pretty much, or if it's too far out of this range, they're called outliers. So if they're too far out of the box, basically they're called outliers, and they would put them out there with an asterisk. So let me show you. So this one does not have any asterisks on it, so it does not have any outliers. And you can tell that most of these tree heights are pretty close together. They go from 21 to 59, and they're pretty spread out, but at the same time you kind of have all of them are kind of similar in there together. So watch this. If I put 105, so let's say all of those trees were under 60 feet except for one of them was 105. Now I'm going to run a box plot. So graph again and go down to box plot, simple, and hit OK. Tell it the variable OK, and watch what happens this time. Okay, there's the 105. Look where it is. It's way up here. It's not anywhere near the blue box, and the box and whiskers are here. It's called a box and whisker plot in some books. So anyway, there's your 105, and it's way out. So that is called an outlier, and it actually shows you it is. So if you hover over it, it will show you if there's an outlier. So the answer to our last question was no, there was not an outlier. Let's see if I can... I might have lost that. So out of that question that we just did, no, there is not an outlier. So hopefully that helps. Thanks.